What makes the case so disturbing is not just the grotesque nature of his crimes, but the banality of the man himself. When questioned by investigators, Gein initially denied any wrongdoing but quickly confessed to the murders of Worden and Hogan. He admitted to grave robbing but insisted he couldn't remember how many graves he had robbed. Disturbingly, he seemed more embarrassed than remorseful, as if he had been caught engaging in a mildly shameful hobby rather than acts of unimaginable horror. David Vale, who served as superintendent of the hospital during Gein's early confinement, wrote in his clinical notes, "Patient exhibits a striking disconnect between the enormity of his actions and his emotional response to them. He discusses the dismemberment of human bodies with the same affect one might use to describe gardening or woodworking. There is no evidence of traditional sadism. He appears to have derived no particular pleasure from causing suffering. Rather, his crimes seem to stem from a profound detachment from reality and a complete failure to recognize other humans as fully real or deserving of normal consideration." What makes the case so disturbing is not just the grotesque nature of his crimes, but the banality of the man himself. His story forces us to confront uncomfortable truths about human development and the thin membrane separating normality from profound deviance. Perhaps most disturbingly, it reminds us that the most horrific monsters may look remarkably ordinary. More than 6 decades after his crimes were discovered, Ed Gein remains a disturbing enigma, a study in the darkest possibilities of human psychological development gone catastrophically wrong. His crimes continue to fascinate and repel, serving as a dark mirror reflecting our most primal fears about what may lurk behind the facade of ordinary human existence.